mess up, mess up, mess up, mess up, mess up, mess up, mess up. I can't have her beat me, bro. This is getting crazy. Bro. Guys, today we're in Palm Bay, Florida, and we're going bowling. Come on. Guys, today we're in Palm Bay, Florida, and we're going bowling, dude. I'm gonna beat you.
I'm going to be competitive.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna win.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Alrighty, guys, here we go. Yeah, we were just talking about the people living here. They must see some great action. Alrighty, guys, let's go. Oh boy, here we go. Shore lanes, right here in Palm Bay.
Yeah.
Alrighty, guys, we just entered. Oh boy. I think we go over there, man. Let's go see where she's taking me. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Look at all the lanes, and yeah, guys. Alright, guys, we just put on our bowling shoes. Check this out. We didn't put on another one yet, but yeah. Before we start, look, they got like an arcade and all this, guys. Pretty cool, just so you know. Here's where we entered. Let's go see what she's doing now. Yeah, so here's where we got the bowling shoes, and here's like the food they got here, guys. All right, so it's pretty chill, pretty cool. We're gonna walk you over here now. And look at this, here's the bar too, so that's pretty cool. Now, what number 34? Yep, I'm following you. Where is it? Let's see. All right, guys, she's getting ready. Look at this. You can see right here how we have the, all right, so I'll let you know what happens. And yeah, lane 28. We're trying to pick the right ball right now. Yeah, I gotta pick mine. Alrighty, guys. Oh boy. Alrighty, guys. Do. Hot stuff.
Oh, damn, gutter ball. Gutter ball. Okay, here he goes. I don't know if he's going to make this. I wouldn't bet my life. I won't bet my life.
Here she goes. We're tied up. Alright, guys, she just missed the first one, so let's go and see if she can get this one. Let's go, guys. This is going to be a good one. Let's go.
Not ready. Okay, go ahead. There he goes. There he goes.
Yeah, I got to remember to say that. So she's just looking for another ball right now. Her turn. She was telling me how bad she was gonna beat me, so she just gotta find that right ball. Alright, guys, can she get this one? Guys, she just took the lady's ball. She just took her ball and told me to put it up because that was her ball. And we returned it. But yeah, great bowler to the left. Great bowler. Alrighty guys, can she knock the rest of these pins down? Let's see.
Yeah.
And then when the ball goes like this, look like this, and then like this.
You gotta get out of the way. Start.
Of course it wasn't on film. 17 miles per hour, dude. She's back up. I'm gonna make her film me, dude. Oh, she's using my ball, bro? Yo, she's using my ball, dude. Alright guys, let's see. When you film, she's saying she needs a strike, guys. Let's see what happens here. Guys, right now. Alrighty, let's see what she can do. So yeah guys, we decided to play 3 games. We only showed you really the first one. Here's some highlights of the other one. She's killing me. Ooh. No. Nah. Let's see if she can get this one now, guys. Alright. Let's see. Give you a different angle. Alright, Ma, come on. You just did 12 miles per hour. That was good. Let's see. About to get a strike.
Yeah. Okay. The dial comes up. Okay, guys. Miles an hour. So we'll see what happens. Go ahead.
Here's two now.
Yeah.
Yep, here we go. Mess up, mess up, mess up, mess up, mess up, mess up, mess up. I can't have her beat me, bro. This is getting crazy. Bro.
I didn't even like that.
Can she finish this off, guys? Ooh.
I hope you get a gutter ball.
Want to see what a strike looks like?
I hope you get a gutter ball.
Alrighty guys, in the third game we played, 80 to 126. Yeah guys, just so you know. Thanks for watching. So what did you think of it, man? First time on the channel? Yeah, great game. Yep, 10 out of 10 guys, definitely come here.
Once a week, right?
Yeah, we're gonna try to come live here guys. And yeah, look at my finger, dude. Oh my god. Yeah, dude, crazy. Hey, thanks for watching. New YouTube shorts upload every night at 8 p.m.
You can't walk out with Jesus.
Nah, man, they'll chase you.
Oh.